Bella vegan dog, I really love you. I'll never eat your friends or anyone who goes poo. Bella vegan dog, I really love you. Yes, I really, really do. Ooh. Good morning, everybody, from Montreal, Quebec, Canada. This is Bella Vegan Dog. If you don't know Bella, she's been vegan since August 2017. She's already eaten her breakfast outside, a big bowl of healthy vegan kibble, but now she's watching me as I'm cutting up some banana, and she's looking like, hey, I want a piece. So I'm gonna give her a little piece of that. Because, of course, dogs can eat fruits and vegetables, and they often do. And now, though, I'm gonna take you over to show you what I'm eating for breakfast. Let's go. Now, my breakfast is not that fancy, but you guys are always asking me what I eat, so I thought I would show you, and Bella's following me here. Thank you, Bella, for keeping me company. So what we have here is 3 breakfast cookies. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cookies for breakfast? Except these are extremely nutritionally balanced. They're very healthy because they're a whole food. So today I'm having this cookie, which consists of oats, dates, bananas, and there are also in there some hazelnuts, and as you can see, a walnut on top, and also mixed in are some chia seeds. And these are super easy to make. You just throw it all into a bowl, and then it makes 12 cookies like this. Now, I changed the recipe up a lot, but the base of this is really 2 cups of oats, and then 2 bananas mashed up. And then you add, I also added vanilla actually, but you don't have to. And a huge tablespoon of chia seeds. You can also add flax seeds, whatever you want. And then you just add whatever you want. If you want to make them sort of fun, you can add chocolate chips as long as they're vegan, but that's not a whole food. These are made with all whole foods. And I always have a little bit of banana or some other fruit. These here are figs, and these are almonds. Don't eat too many nuts because they are high in fat, but they're still good for you. Have a variety of foods at each meal. Now, Bella's still sitting here, and she knows that I have an extra banana in my hand. Right, Bella? Who loves you? Everybody loves you. There you go. So a reminder to those of you that I am selling these mugs right now, and there are 4 of them. If you are interested, you can get them in the description below. This one in particular says, my wool and my legs, not yours. And we actually noticed that the logo is kind of small and a bit hard to read there, That Vegan Teacher. So the next batch, it's going to be a little bit bigger. Thanks everyone for being here. Thanks for remembering that speciesism was wrong, and do your best to be as vegan as possible. Thanks for being here. Bye for now. Look in the mirror and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Look in your heart and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Eat only healthy vegan things. Never eat anyone's arms, legs, or wings. Don't eat anyone who had ears or eyes. Make sure when you eat that nobody cries. Break old habits you had for years. Save animals from so much terror and tears. Train yourself to always be in the mood to only buy healthy vegan food.